Well, hello, 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 my mad scrappers. I have a mail call, and it's a little one, but I think it's special because I have an unexpected package from VNA Luna, our VNA Creates person, and I have a Prime. So we're gonna open the Prime because I know I'm expecting us. Do I remember what I'm expecting? Of course not. This is me. We're talking about people. Okay, can I tear this? Let's see. We're not even gonna bother. It's lovely perforated like we're supposed to tear it off, but apparently not by weak-wristed people. So there we go. So let's see, what did I order from Prime that's come in? Oh, this is really, really cool. This is for Valentines. So yes, I'm going to be using this immediately in one of my videos for 14 and 14. But it says, love you yesterday, love you still, always have, always will. So, oh, it's so pretty. So yes, I was expecting it. Yes, it came before Valentine's Day. Yay, because I was late. So I'm already looking for what I want to order for stuff for Easter. That's going to be on Prime. Because some of the stuff, of course, because it comes on the slow boat from China, it takes a while. So I need to get on my act. So we're going to set that aside. But now, what did Vienna? I knew I was to be expecting something. Because she emailed me, says not to scare you, but I forgot what it was to tip you off or anything. But I remembered I went to the post office that I was using my your Laverne address, and she knew I'd moved to Fullerton. So let's see, what did this crazy woman send me? Oh my goodness. So it's like, oh my goodness. So let's see. She had sent me a card, and I know it's a VNA card. So now I have to save it forever and ever and love it and pet it and call it George. I love that. Isn't that pretty? That is so her. Oh my gosh. This is like, oh my gosh, this happy mail finds you well. Congrats on 1,000 subscribers. Too many more. Be well and get some rest. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't know if that's happening. Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. So I'm going to set that right there. Oh, see, that just gave me chills. And look. Oh my gosh. Isn't that, look at that. I think I'm going to cry. I mean, not just, but it's what it says. Empowered women empower women. Wow. Look at how lovely this is. But that means everything. I'm not kidding you guys here. I'm holding it together just barely because it has been rough. But I keep soldiering on because that's what we women do. You know, life gives us lemons and we make lemonade and and margaritas and the lemonade doesn't work. Give me a second. I need a sip. Pure water. I'm gonna try not to drip that water because it's grapes Welch's, and I'll get it on my nice white chart. I already got a bit of my my chocolate protein shake. So, okay. Now it gave me a second to pull it together. Look at that. So she gave me shake because she knows I do shaker cards. Oh my gosh. Look how awesome that is. Oh, I'm in love with it. Can you guys see? Look how pretty. That is so awesome. And what goodies are in here? Oh, let's open it by the end. I love this. I just love these chicks. Oh, how awesome. This is so cool. It's like, wow. Okay, so let's open this carefully. Because I don't want to tear the washi. Okay, I'm going to have to, okay, so we're going to take the washi off carefully. And we'll just put it here on the outside. Oh my God, those girls are so cute. And let's see what little goodies she put in here. Oh my gosh. Look at those embellishments. She actually sewed on paper. That woman is a better human being than I am. But look how pretty they are. See, you guys, and this is what I say about the crafting community. It is such a generous and such a giving community. And we lift each other up, whether it's through gifts, kind words, through prayer. I mean, all of the above. I mean, I know that you guys have lifted my spirits so much, with your comments and inquiring how my mom is. Oh, look at that. Hey, girl. Look how cute they are. And I love that she cut that out. That is definitely from her Cricut. Oh, okay, let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Let's look and look and look and look and look and look and look. Let's see what the thingies are in here. So I'm going to take my time and show it off to you guys. But look how cute they are. And I love the colors. And I'm telling you, people know I'm not a purple people. But look, it's teal too. Oh, I love these. They're just like us. Or at least just like me. For I am, as you can tell, I'm many things. But white isn't one of them. Oh, these are so, so, so pretty. I come with, the, as I call it, a permatan. But don't let it fool you, people. Brown burns, all right? Last summer, no, summer before last, I spent far too much time working in the sun, and oh my gosh, I got the sunburn of my life. Oh, I was like lobster red, and it takes a lot of burning to make a brown person look red. So yes, brown burns. Let's see. Oh my gosh, and more. Look at how cute the washi tape alone is. I'm gonna have to. I want to. This is. I bet you it's like recollections or something that I probably won't be able to find. But excuse me. I'm sorry about that. But let's see what else is in here. I just don't want to tear the washi tape because it's pretty. I'll put that there. And look at her. I love her. Just like, you know, angelic. Unlike me, I'm mad. I'm many things, but angelic, I don't know. I don't think it's in my skill set. Look at that. Oh, there you go. Gardening girl. Yep. We are, you know, my mother-in-law, Nan, is one that told me that I have a bunch of my flowers are flowering, and I couldn't see them from where I'm at because I moved them, and we have a right here direct in front of me is a slider, but I have a boxes and stuff like that stacked there because we're working on the garage and rearranging. Our dream is to get 2 cars back in there, one at the very least, but right now it is like a war zone of storage. Anyway, so, I mean, because we haven't settled in, it's just crazy. I mean, there's 50 years of stuff in the garage and then our stuff too, so it's like, look at that. Friends are the people who make you smile brighter, laugh louder, and live better. Absolutely. Absolutely. True, true, true. I love this. There we go. Coffee. That's me, you know, very comfy, loose, and, you know, I'm not. My sister is, that's my sister. So if you think about it, except the hair's turned around. I'm the one with the short hair. She's the one with the long hair. But this is us. My sister always looks styled, always with makeup. I'm starting to wear more makeup now because, you know, I am not, you know, 250 pounds. You know, I'm under, you know, I'm under 200. I mean, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm 187. I was 248 when I had the surgery. I'm 187 now. I had my follow-up. A doctor says, yeah, you lost 16 pounds since, you know, from 1 month to the next. So, but anyway. But that's me. I'm very comfy and cozy, and she's always styling. Even when she's casual, she looks good. So, I mean, and that's how we are. I am more Stevie Nicks, to be honest. I like flowing. I like loose. I like comfy. You know, I'm not into tight. Nothing like that. So there I am. You know, here's Vans. I mean, I usually am in Crocs these days, you know. And my sister's trying to give Crocs a second. Look, she hates Crocs. I think they're ugly. And I go, they are. But they're the most comfortable shoes on God's green earth. You should get a pair. So my niece wears them. I love my Crocs. Anyway, look at that. I mean, together is the best place to be. These are so, oh my gosh, I don't even want to use them. I'm not going to want to make anything for them, except for me. Because they're so, so pretty. Wow. I mean, it's just like, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, it's like my best friend. She's always say, wow, wow, wow. That I am now emulating Jane or Jane. Look at that. Look how pretty. And it's stickers. Do small things with great love. Absolutely. This people, this in all we do. Look on the bright side. And I do. That's how I keep trucking, is I always find the bright side. So let me pull these out a little bit so that way you can see what all the stickers say. But, oh, look, and now it says, okay, so it's Paper House Sugar Gal Shop. I'm going to see if I can find more of this stuff. Oh, and look at that. Girls just want to have fun. Yep, that we all want to channel our inner Cyndi Lauper. Making memories, girl power, one of a kind, all of that. Chill. Life is better with friends. Absolutely. Oh, but this is the best one. Do small things with great love. And I do, you know, this little channel of mine, I'm gonna make it shine. There you go. This little channel of mine. but I am, it's, I do this for the love of it, just for the fun. I don't ever think I'm going to get anywhere. And oh my God, I got to find this paper. And I don't do purple. And look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. See, what we need to now do, she's going to have to do an envelope, a simple envelope swap. Because look what amazingness you can put into it. And look at that. There we go. The teal queen. Me. Oh, and this paper too. It's just breathtaking. Holy cow. See, now I'm going to have to one-upper. This, now we're throwing down. Oh my goodness. This is just so beautiful. So I am so jazzed with all my goodies. Where's my little die? Where'd I put the die? Hello, I already hid it from myself. Oh my God, well, there you go, with great efficiency. So that today, guys, is combo Happy Mail and mail call. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I sure did. And I sure enjoyed sharing it with you. So always know, and this is what I say, how in things that we make touch people, other people. This is what we do, people. This is why we make cards. So, I mean, keep on trucking. My gosh, why is my finger all of a sudden so swollen? All right, anyway. So if you enjoyed this, you guys know the drill. I say this every time. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and drop me a note. If you want to see more of my madness, and it's coming, because right after I end this, I'm going to start recording the next 14 by 14. I'm behind. It's going to get up today at some point, but it's going to get up late. Just because last night I pooped out. I got really tired, and I just couldn't. I just sat and watched the movie with, Nan and the Peanut Gallery after visiting Mom. I was tired, so forgive me for that I'm behind, but it'll get up. But anyway, so if you want to see more of the madness from this mad woman, when she's not a pooped pigeon, then by all means subscribe and ring that bell, because I will be right here with more of that madness. Meanwhile, I'm going to release you. Go and make something beautiful. Watch somebody else. There's a lot out there with better than I am. And meanwhile, don't forget, because the one thing that I know is that we are all a little mad here. So come on, craft the madness with me. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye.